I advertise myself as a business, individual, product. And what I mean by that, I'm threefold, correct? I'm mind, body, and soul, spirit. So, I advertise myself that way. I advertise myself as an individual by having a resume out there on different websites so that way I can do different turnaround jobs and contract jobs. I advertise myself as a company by having my business, Hoggone Welding, on websites and my own website, and also um, different other contract companies like subcontracting companies where I network and use my rig. And when I'm not doing that, I advertise myself as a product. Or while I'm doing that, I'm advertising myself as a product too, because I'm making products and I'm working on different things that I can actually sell while I'm sleeping. Ain't nothing like having a passive income where you can be asleep and you can wake up and have money in your pocket. Ain't nothing like that, because we can only work physically for so long. So while we good and strong, let's work. Work as strong and hard as we can to be able to not work physically as much. So that way our business can work for us, and our products can work for us, and our money can work for us. That's the goal. So I was asked that, so I just wanted to say, man, I do, network with all different types of websites. I mean, it takes money to make money. So don't be afraid to spend money on different ads. Don't be afraid to spend money um, to get your business out there. Because word of mouth is great. Don't get me wrong. Word of mouth can open up doors, but sometimes you have to. A lot of companies that you hear of that like different, like let's say, so to speak, toothpaste. You might say, man, Crest is like the top brand, and I might give another off brand that might be just like Crest. Now, you might think to yourself, okay, man, well, which one is good? Which one is best? Both of them got the same ingredients. Both of them got the same thing. Both of them going to protect your teeth. So, what happened was, one company advertised more than the other did. So the name brand one that you hear, he just beat the other one in an advertisement. The other came out with a good product, he just couldn't touch that type of advertisement campaign, but he's still on the shelf. You see what I'm saying? So think about it. Do you want to be on the shelf? So network yourself like that, as a business, as an individual, as a product. Because if you do that, man, I'm telling you, doors are open. Because now you're thinking outside of the box completely. You see what I'm saying? So I try to do that, man, because I'm knowing that physically I don't want to do this forever, as far as, physically out there welding. I know I'm going to be starting doing some instructing and teaching a lot here soon, and doing seminars and doing different projects on containers. So, I got a good future, that I'm moving into. So I know physically, me being out here doing these different little contracts, it's finna come to an end. I ain't finna keep doing this, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm just doing to get my bag up and keep money going and keep bills paid and keep stuff going and keep kids taken care of, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm gonna tell you this, if you